Hello, this is Crowe. I'm here to do my daily video for Aisa Loves 100K Mastermind Training, but also I'm doing this video about my vision board. So I completed my vision board last night, and this morning I'm doing a little bit of video about my vision board. So let's look at my vision board. Here's my vision board. Here's one area, travel to exotic places. I had a lot of these I wasn't able to put on there. This is an opera house. There's an island. And, of course, the beaches. Here's another one of the Gulf Coast beaches. I've always wanted to stay at a castle, so there's a castle. And there's a port in a foreign city. I love to eat, so when you go on trips, you have to eat. So for the food to eat, I just made it's good to eat. So I have a variety of food to eat. This is dishes from just all kind of course, on this one, when I go to Maine, I want to eat a Maine lobster in Maine. So there's the guy doing the lobster. There's some nice food. Here's a lot of other dishes of food. I enjoy eating. When we go on trips, we enjoy going out to eat. Here are some things I will own someday. A baby grand piano. I don't have room in my house for a grand. That's why I said a baby grand. I want a seaplane. I live on the base, so I can fly back into my house and fly other places. As a kid, one guy used to always talk about his kids must think I have a money tree because they're always asking for money. So I decided I'm going to have a money tree. I want a restaurant with a piano in the restaurant. I play piano so that way I can play at my own restaurant. Also, I want a music theater. Now, the own music theater, I'll get to perform in my theater. Some other things that I want. I'm single, and when I saw this, I said, oh, this is a kind of a Jeep like with a camper on the back. I don't like that long camper and pulling it, or driving a motorhome or pulling it behind a pickup truck. But this one's got it all in the more compact vehicle, so I like that. And of course, I put a variety of cars. I drive a Cadillac. I like the smaller size Cadillac, but I've always said I probably want a convertible someday. And I went ahead and put down a Porsche. Why not? Well, what's some other things that I'm going to have one day? I'm going to be the first person in my family to become a millionaire. So one day I will have $1 million. And I'll also have free time to enjoy that $1 million. I have never been to Hawaii, so here is the beaches of, instead of the beaches of the moon, I'm going to make it to the beaches of Hawaii. So this is my overall vision board. And this one, the destinations that refreshes you. Oh, that's great, isn't it? Here's this one, built on a passion. On that one, stay a while. Here, the golden age of travel is back. And so overall, this is my vision board. And I'll put this in my bedroom. I'll make a picture of where I put it.